Welcome to my first video of 2022. It's kind of a chilly April day, but I had to get out and do some video, and I'm going to talk about some changes to my channel. I've noticed videos that I did last year, there was an awful lot of wind noise, and it's really kind of annoying. So this year I'm going to make an attempt to cut down on that wind noise as much as possible and see what I can come up with to get better audio so it's not that buffeting wind noise. Kind of watching Jerry Palladino and Moto and Doodle on a motorcycle and Her.Two.Wheels, and I've noticed that their riding videos are very quiet and mine's very noisy, so that's the reason why I'm going to try to cut that back. I'm still going to try to find a lot of cool places to check out, but if I can get that noise down, I'd be very happy. And if anybody has any suggestions or constructive criticisms, I'd be happy to get some comments. The wind's a little chilly on my neck. I even got a neck gaiter on, but it's still chilly. So I probably will not get on the highway today. It's too chilly for that. This year I've decided I'm going to do my oil change and service myself, because I had to ride 80 miles on the highway to the place I bought it from, and then 80 miles back afterwards. It's kind of a lot of miles just for them to service it. The local place you can never get a hold of, it seems like. Well, at least last year I couldn't. Don't know about this year. Haven't tried. But I figure it's only got 3,700 miles. A good oil change and just checking the chain tension and things like that should be fine. Checking the fluids, brake fluid and things like that. Make sure they're okay. Kind of things you should be checking all the time anyway. Green's starting to get into the trees a little bit. Get leaves here pretty soon.